Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Verizon bill online. Okay, so the first stop is to make sure you are on vzw.com/myverizon, and you're going to need to sign in to get this thing going. So in order to make your one-time payment, all you need to do is select the bill from the navigation screen over here, then click Pay Options. So you're going to set up payment by selecting either to pay in full or another amount, or you can make a split payment. And once you're done there, all you want to do is hit Continue. Now on this screen, we're going to select a payment method, and you have options here from debit cards, checking accounts, or Verizon gift cards. And if you've already saved a payment method, it will pop up. But if you haven't saved one, you'll need to enter all the required information. So let's say you add your debit card, you're going to need to put in your account number, CVV, and things like that. So once you've provided all the information, just click Continue. And then they're going to give you a review. And if you do need to make any changes, you can just edit it. Or if everything is fine, all you need to do is click Confirm. And that's it, done and dusted. If your payment method prompts your banking app or whatever to approve the payment, that is going to be on your side. I wouldn't be able to say for all different payment methods. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.